When you've been twice approved by the Senate, she was approved first by in 1992 when President Bush, the first President Bush, appointed her to the bench, and then she was approved again in the late 90s when President Clinton promoted her to her current job. When you go through two of those nomination processes, usually there aren't any skeletons left. I don't suspect that there will be any, and I think it's going to take something like that, some sort of shocking disclosure that we're not aware of, to scuttle this nomination. Otherwise, I think there will be a lot of noise, but eventually she'll be confirmed and she'll take her place, replacing David Souter. The one case that people are aware of that her detractors will be able to use against her as they try to portray her as some sort of liberal. That's the affirmative action case. It involved firefighters in New Haven, Connecticut. The city was trying to promote black firefighters. It issued a test. The white firefighters did well on the test. Black firefighters did not do so well. And so the city basically threw out the test. The white firefighters challenged. Judge Sotomayor sided with the city. The case was appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, and within the next month or so, we are likely to get a ruling overturning her vote in that case. In other words, a ruling against the city. Now, her detractors, conservatives, are going to say this is an indication that Judge Sotomayor is way to the left of center, that she's a liberal activist who is trying to save affirmative action. Her supporters are going to say, look, every appellate judge who is not on the Supreme Court gets overturned from time to time, and that there are plenty of other cases in other areas of the law where she has shown that she can be moderate and is indeed moderate. And I think that's going to be one of the battlegrounds going forward. The thing to remember about this is that she is replacing David Souter, who also is a liberal or moderate justice on the bench. So this isn't going to change most of those 5-4 decisions we've been seeing. Indeed, we saw one yesterday where the court's conservative majority holds sway. Yesterday, there was a big criminal procedure case in which Justice Scalia wrote the opinion 5-4. Well, Justice Souter was in the minority. Justice Sotomayor, if she gets the job, would likely have been in the minority as well. So I don't see a huge tilt in the balance on the court ideologically or politically. I think that you're basically replacing one moderate liberal with another if she gets the job.